I wasted 25 years waking up wrong. Here's what I changed in 30 days. Most people start their day in reactive mode. You hit snooze, grab your phone, scroll for 20 minutes, and suddenly you're late. Your brain is already hijacked by other people's priorities before you even leave bed. This kills your entire day. When your alarm goes off, count backwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then move. Don't think. Don't negotiate. Your brain has a 5-second window before it talks you out of action. This tiny habit trained my discipline muscle and made everything else easier. I stopped checking my phone for the first hour. No emails, no social media, no news. Instead, I did things that served me. Water, exercise, planning my day. Your morning sets your mental state. When you scroll first thing, you're letting algorithms control your mood and attention. Take that hour back. I created one small win before breakfast, made my bed, did 10 push-ups, read 5 pages. It doesn't matter what it is, just complete something. This triggers a psychological effect, momentum. One win creates another. You start the day as a winner, not a victim. After 30 days, I wasn't waking up tired anymore. I had more energy, more focus, and more control over my life. And it all started with these 3 simple changes. Try just one of these tomorrow morning. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. Which habit will you try first?